Right, that's that sorted. Ready to refill a gas bottle. The back end of last year, I think it was back end of November, early December, my beloved Hewlett-Packard i5 laptop decided to pack in. It wasn't the battery and it wasn't the power adapter. It just wouldn't charge up, wouldn't power up. It'd light up and then stop on the battery charge indicator. And it seemed to me that it was probably something more serious internal. And seeing as the laptop was probably knocking on in age, I decided rather than get it fixed, I mean, I only bought it second-hand anyway off eBay, it'd be better off to get something newer. So I had a good look around on the internet, started looking at eBay, and I wanted something serious, and I was getting a bit twitchy about the amount of money it cost and buying a mystery machine off eBay. And I came across a place called Gadget Centre, and this looked really good, so I decided to order the laptop off them. Let's have a look what happened. The laptop's just arrived from Gadget Centre, and also in there is the 3 wireless RGB mice that I ordered, or mouses. So I've no idea what this is yet until I open it. I just know what spec it's going to be. The tracking from DPD was absolutely fantastic, and from Gadget Centre themselves, and PayPal, every step of the way, blow by blow. I received an email telling me, or a message or a notification telling me exactly where this parcel was and exactly what time it was going to be delivered, and it was pretty well spot on. So well done DPD and Gadget Centre for an excellent courier service. Makes a change. Right, well, this thing's really well packaged, but failure number 1, there's only one optical mouse. So not too happy about that, but the rest of it looks expertly packed. So I'll get it open just in case the other mice are hiding somewhere else, because mice do like to hide. And we've got the power supply, 1 optical mouse when I ordered 3, and there's the laptop. Still no idea what it is, but love the packaging. Right, let's get this thing open and just check. Right, I've took the laptop out of the bubble wrap insert, sleeve, whatever you want to call it, and I've still no idea what it is, but it looks like it might be a Hewlett-Packard. There's a vinyl wrapping, little cell wrap all over it, quite impressive, looks extremely clean so far, and there's a checklist with everything that they've checked on this thing. So let's get it open and find out what it is. Right, I've opened it up. We've got a 3-year warranty card. Okay, that's great. So keep that with the quality check sheet. We also have a performance report telling me that everything on this, you know, startup times and everything, we'll go through that. Has the laptop arrived damaged or not what you want? So email them back. I've just got to report the mice, which is still a little bit disappointing, but, and then it's got an upgrade report of just what extent this laptop has been refurbished and upgraded to, so I'll carefully read that. I was hoping for a larger screen, I'll tell you the truth there, but it's a Bang & Olufsen EliteBook running NVIDIA GeForce Windows 11, which is what I requested, so we'll find out when we turn it on. And it's got a Intel Core i7 V Pro 8th generation, so that's pretty damn good. The whole thing is super clean. The only thing I can find is some sort of sticker thing on here, so we'll get that off. I don't know what that is. I'm very surprised at that, seeing as these things are supposed to arrive super clean, which it is. Yeah, maybe it's just one of the stickers they put on. My God, this thing is so sleek. Okay, one USB port there, another one there. Oh, lightning cable. I'll have to find out what this does then. Yeah, at the moment, I'm super happy. Right, well, I've had the laptop a couple of days now, and I'll just go through a few things. I've got all the mice now. All the mice have turned up. And, yeah, we'll go and have a look. I'm really impressed with it, so I'll show you what it's like. head over to the shed. Okay, so here's the laptop set up. It's really neat. I thought it was a Bang & Olufsen. It's not. That's the sound system in this, which was another thing I was completely amazed by. So we'll just power it up and take it from there. There's one of the wireless mice that came with it. Very nice they are too. Colour changing. They operate wirelessly, cable or Bluetooth. I've got it connected Bluetooth right now. Now another thing this thing had, which I wasn't expecting, was fingerprint recognition, and you can use that to log in. There we go. We're in. That's just a desktop wallpaper I've got. So the whole thing's like aluminium, really. Except for the lid. It's got a new screen, which I wasn't expecting this. The screen is touch screen. Just still getting used to that. Yeah, there we go. Again, another thing I was not expecting. Not something I would use, but I never say never. So let's go in and look at the specs. And there's the specifications. It's an i7, super duper fast, 32 gig of RAM. Okay, 64-bit, Windows 11 Pro, pre-installed, product activation key, so Windows is active. Yeah. And there's the installation date, 7th of the 2nd, 2025. We've gone into Task Manager now, and here's another specification I wasn't expecting. This thing here is loaded with a NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. And if you look on here, now I'll put a screenshot up, it's got nearly 16 gigs of graphics on top of the 32 gig memory I've got. There was a few other things I wasn't expecting about this laptop. On the side here, we have Type-C rapid charging. We have Ethernet port, I was expecting that. HDMI out, I was expecting that, more or less, on a modern laptop. We have one USB port there, which is super fast, extremely fast. I copied 4 gig over. Was it 4 gig? Yeah. No, was it 45 gig? 4.5 gig over to a rapid Kingston USB memory stick, and it did it in 13 minutes. It was rapid. It was quite a lot of data, actually. It could have been 45 gigabytes, but it was a lot. It was very quick. On a similar i7 laptop, it took 2.5 hours. So there you go. You've got your port for your headphones, microphone, and then you've got a SIM slot. I don't use those things really because I use external stuff plugged in. And here we have another super fast USB, and there's a couple of little slots and ports that I've no idea what they are really, so it's probably not something I'd use. All these laptops come with a brand new charger. This isn't it, by the way, and I'm running it off my solar. Now, one thing I noticed was when I used the power supply that came with it, the AC light on my solar boxes, and it's not just this one, it's all of them, after a while that starts to flash, which means there's something wrong with the device that's plugged in. Now, I'm not having to go to the Gadget Centre or anything. I've had this before with aftermarket power supplies, chargers that have bought off eBay for other laptops when the original charger's gone wrong. So I think the best thing to do, if you can, is get a hold of a genuine part, the genuine power supply charger if you can. And I can use the aftermarket brand new ones in the cabin, no problem. Doesn't trip the power out or anything like that. You know, you don't know where these things have been made. Well, that's kind of worrying, isn't it, really? Where do you get one of these super duper laptops from? Well, it's a place called Gadget Centre, and they're on the internet. And basically, you go to their website and build your own laptop and order it. Let's go and have a look. So let's go to the Gadget Centre website. Here it is. There's the address at the top, gcentre.co.uk. And basically, you go here first, laptop builder. It's dead easy, this. It's great. You select your CPU, so we'll simulate building one of these things. So we've got an i7, and here the price changes as you go along. And down the bottom here, it shows you the price changing as you go along. We'll have 32 gig of RAM. You can have lower amounts, 4, 8 and 16. Same with the CPU, i3, i5, i7. Obviously, the lower the price. So we've selected the right hard drive. I didn't want a big hard drive because I've got plenty of cloud storage. So we just selected 250 gigabytes SSD, solid state, super fast. And then we got graphics options, so modify, and I went for medium because it's the maximum. Backlight, I wanted a backlight because I wanted it to be super duper fancy. Screen resolution, just modify that. And I wanted proper HD, full HD. That's maybe why the screen on the one I've got is smaller than I was expecting, but I've got no problem with the screen because it's super fantastic. It's dead clear. So far we're up to $389.99. We go on to more options. Do you want a camera and a mic? And I said yes, required. Built in, obviously. Built-in Bluetooth required. I'm running the mouse on Bluetooth and my keyboard. High speed or standard Wi-Fi adapter. I thought let's have the high speed. I don't think there was any price difference now. Some things the price doesn't change. I wanted Windows 11, seeing as the discontinuing Windows 10. I didn't see any point in going with that. And then next you go to intended use. And I put, I think you choose 3 on here. So I put video editing, sound production, and graphic design. Because I wanted something really powerful. Okay, so it's got primary, secondary, and occasional use. So we're up to $389. And then next you can choose your warranty. So you can have a 60-day standard return, a 1-year warranty, 2 years, or 3 years. And I thought, let's go for the 3 years. So price difference there. It was only a tenner more to go for the 3-year warranty. And then you're covered. And then next you can go to the accessories section, which is where I went to choose the mice, but I'm not going to do that right now. So there you go. That configuration of a really powerful laptop, 450 quid we'll call it. And that's it. Basically, once you've built your laptop, you go to checkout and pay for your laptop, and then you wait a few days for them to build it. And the service is very quick. It'll be with you probably within a few days, 5 days. And they keep you totally informed every step of the way. What a completely brilliant service. I was just going to buy a mystery machine off eBay, and I'm so glad that I didn't. If ever I want another laptop, I know where I'm going, Gadget Centre. Basically, this thing I'm looking at here, I reckon you're looking at a couple of grand, you know, easily. And you're paying like a third, a quarter of the price of one of these things. Anyway, there's my setup. So here we have all my normal setup. We've got the Bluetooth, wireless, however you want to connect it, mouse. It charges Type-C as well. A wireless keyboard, because it's just nice to have it down there instead of reaching up there. I forgot to mention, the keyboard that comes with this built in is backlit. I have my Rode NT microphone that I will connect usually by USB, and it's got the headphone socket on the back. I use that as my microphone and my sound card because it'll sound better than anything that's in any laptop. There, I've got my Anchor Pro webcam. I think, no, Anchor Work webcam. That's a 4K webcam. It's got sound and all sorts of it. You can adjust the color settings and sharpness. I only really run it in HD. I don't see the point in recording anything in 4K and then uploading it to the internet as 4K, and then people trying to watch it on the phones and download it as 4K. So yeah, there's my neat little setup. And that's what I do when I'm creating graphics in here and doing other stuff on the computer for people and myself. And it's where I edit and work on all my videos. Cool, eh, or what? So if you're in the market for a new laptop and you're on a bit of a budget, I can highly recommend Gadget Centre. The service is excellent. They professionally refurbish these machines, thoroughly clean them and upgrade them where possible, and you end up with a really powerful laptop for a fraction of the price of what a brand new one would cost you. And I think the postage is free. On top of that, you get a 3-year warranty or a 1 year, whatever you want to choose, it's up to you. You can get yourself a nice little mouse, just like this one.